So today I'm craving something sweet, as always, but instead of making a big cake or a big batch of chocolate chip cookies, today I'm making a dessert for one. And this is a peanut butter chocolate chip oatmeal mug cake. First, I'm starting off with some peanut butter, and this is 1.5 tablespoons, and I melted it in the microwave for 15 seconds just to make it a little soft and so that I can stir it easier. Then I'm going to take some maple syrup, and I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. And I'm going to mix all the liquids together. Next, I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of oats, and I'm going to grind it in the food processor. You could just get already packaged oat flour and use that as well. Okay, so I have 4 tablespoons of oat flour, and now I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. I'm going to mix it together, and it almost looks like cookie dough. I think it does, like oatmeal. It looks like oatmeal cookie dough. Smells good. All right, I'm going to spray my baking dish. I'm going to add a few more chocolate chips to the top before I put it in the microwave. All right, I've set the microwave to 1 minute. And here we go. This is what it looks like when I took it out of the microwave. Looks yummy. So this was in the microwave for 1 minute, and I had to let it cool for a while because it was really hot. But I've already taken a bite. It's delicious. It's oatmeal, peanut butter, chocolate chips, and it's warm. And if you just need a dessert for one person, this is perfect, and it's super easy to make. So I would definitely recommend it. So good.